Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on appearing offline on Instagram. To start with, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile page. Tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen and then tap on Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, you want to tap on the Privacy option. Now tap on Activity Status. Here, you can switch this setting off. Once you have done it, people will no longer be able to see your online status on Instagram, nor when you were last online. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to our channel Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.